Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering ingredients. 2 tablespoon vegetable oil, 1 tsp ground cumin, 1 inch fresh ginger, 2 garlic cloves, 1 onion, and 1 red chili. Prepare 400 g mixed vegetables, potato, carrot, cauliflower, cut into roughly 2 cm pieces for uniform cooking. Measure 400 ml coconut milk and 200 ml vegetable stock for a medium-thick sauce, and set aside 2 tablespoon tomato paste, 1 tsp turmeric, 1 tsp salt, and 1 tsp sugar. This mise-en place speeds cooking and ensures flavors are balanced. Heat 2 tablespoon oil in a wide pan over medium heat. Add 1 tsp cumin seeds and toast 20 seconds until fragrant. Add 1 chopped onion and sauté until translucent, about 5 minutes. Stir in 1 inch grated ginger and 2 minced garlic cloves and cook 1 minute to bloom flavors. Add 1 tsp turmeric and 2 tablespoon tomato paste, frying for 2 minutes to deepen color. Deglaze with 100 ml vegetable stock, scraping brown bits. This builds a rich, layered curry foundation. Add 400 g prepared vegetables to the pan and stir to coat in the spice base. Pour in 400 ml coconut milk and 100 ml vegetable stock. Bring to a gentle simmer, cover, and cook 15-20 minutes until vegetables are tender but not mushy. Taste and adjust seasoning with 1 tsp salt, 1 tsp sugar, and 1 tablespoon lemon juice to brighten the dish. If thicker sauce is desired, simmer uncovered 3-5 minutes. Garnish with chopped cilantro and serve with 400 g cooked rice or warm flatbread. Store leftovers refrigerated up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.